Sunnic's revolutionary cabinet energy storage system, distributed by 7Sun, offers greater efficiency and flexibility for commercial and industrial applications. Powered by 𝐃𝐞𝐬𝐲's LFP battery, it delivers 232 kWh and supports modular expansion of up to 5 units. Its all-in-one design integrates key components into a compact, transportable unit, making installation simple with a plug-and-play setup. Smart features including Energy Management System, or EMS, cloud-based monitoring and advanced battery health tools for lifespan prediction, security alerts and performance tracking ensure safe and reliable operation. Liquid cooling technology extends battery life and ensures maximum performance in the harshest climates. With 90% efficiency and up to 8,000 cycles, it is ideal for industrial parks, charging stations and commercial buildings. 7Sun, a trusted European distributor for installers, provides a wide range of high-quality solar energy products and solutions from leading manufacturers.